In this example, we are preparing for a pump house addition to the BNIM model, and we are going to export the standalone pump house Revit file as an IFC file via File Export IFC. We're navigating to the location on our desktop where we would like to store the file. You can see that we are using our in-session setup, and we do have the pump house project selected. As we click Export, you can see the file pumphouse.ifc is now located in the proper location locally. Next, we will open the desktop connector location in our file browser and copy the recently exported file from our local location to this cloud location within BIM 360 Design. This is where we will link from in the BNIM model. You can see the progress in the BIM 360 Design web portal as the file is being uploaded to the workspace. Now it is possible in the BNIM model to insert link the IFC file into Revit by following the insert link workflow. We are navigating through BIM 360 Preview and to our IFC file location. From there, we can select the pumphouse.ifc file, and the link is maintained as the IFC file is updated. This feature will open new doors for IFC collaborative workflows.